Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is some dupe, and if this is your first time watching or clicking on my account, make sure you subscribe to watch more interesting videos. Okay, so today I'm just going to unbox my online shopping. I don't usually do a lot of online shopping because I always prefer to touch the texture, touch the clothes, and just see it, put it on my body, see if it's comfortable or not. But this time I had lots of time that time because I was on quarantine for a week, and then I was browsing, just checking on my computer, you know, googling and all, because you can't do anything in your room whole single day. Like, I was just reading, googling, listening music, watching movies, and all that I could do. So I came across Shein. I usually buy a few stuff from there, especially, you know, the phone case and the phone screen protector, because if you buy all the stuff at the store, it costs you like above $25 and $30 just for the protect screen, like the front screen. So I buy all the stuff from Shein, which are very cheap, like $4 to $5, and also the clothes are really cute. So I've bought a lot of clothes from Shein this time. See? So this is Shein from online. I'm not doing any promotion, product promotion. It's just that all I bought, so I just want to share with you guys. I've already opened it yesterday after my work. So this is the box, this is the package. You know, when you receive the stuff, you're so excited and wanted to see how they are and all. So I unpacked that yesterday with my mom, and we just checked all the clothes, and I really like them, except a few of them. So I thought maybe I should share my online shopping collections. Boom, boom, boom. Yes. Okay, so I've bought a lot of stuff actually. I'm actually surprised. It's because it was when I was checking the onlines, it was only 75%, like it was 75% discount, 50 to 75. So all the products, all the clothes that I've bought, they're pretty cheap. At the same time, Shein, online Shein like stuff are quite cheap. It's not really expensive, not really expensive. So it's affordable. Plus we girls, we prefer to wear our clothes according to the season. Especially in Australia, it's too hot most of the time. It's summer, so you prefer to wear like dresses, like comfortable clothes, thin clothes, and you never get a chance to wear really thick. And even though I love cold weather and I really want to go somewhere where there's snow, but we have no choice. So anyway, I'm just gonna show you all the clothes that I've bought. And so I'm just putting this cap on because it's just the window in front of me, like big window, and the light straight coming to my eyes, and I can't open my eyes big enough, even though my eyes are really big. Just kidding, it's so small. Yeah, so that's why I'm just wearing this cap. This is a very old cap. It's been like 3 years, more than 3 years. This is the first cap that my best friend bought me when I came here. If you're wondering who I am talking about, it's you, Kelsang. If you're watching my video, this is the cap that you bought me when you go out for the first time, and I really love it. It's already been suntan, but it's still cute. I think it's still cute. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you one after another, and I am pretty much impressed with Shein because the qualities are not bad, the textures are really nice, and the sizes are true to the size. So my size are most of them small or extra small. Sometimes it depends on the quality. If it's stretchable, it's extra small. If it's not stretchable, it's small. Okay, so let me show you one after another. So first thing, the most favorite dress that I like, I'll show you. Red color. I've always wanted to wear red dress, but I never find anything. When I go to the store, I went to the store multiple times to find a nice red dress, but I never find anything which I like. So when I was browsing through Shein, I found one, and I'm very satisfied. And make sure you check my Instagram account, because I'm gonna wear these clothes and then put photos on Instagram where you can check and see it as a review if you want to buy something from Shein. And it's also very true to the size if you know your size properly. Okay, so look at this. The texture is so good, really, it's so good. I used to buy a dress worth like $25 to $50 from the store, but the quality is exactly same, really good, even though this was very cheap, because everything I bought were on discount, like 50 to 75%, so you can imagine how cheap it is. And I bought all the clothes, like you will see how many of them, and I'll just pile up it here, and all of them I got it over less than $200. So this is the perfect dress that I like. It's not very long, it's just above my knee. And make sure you check my Instagram to see the photo. Look, so this is so cute, and this is the color. Yeah, so this is so nice. So this is one of my favorite, and I could wear this every single day. So when I post this on my Instagram, one of my friends said, oh, happy Valentine's Day, but I'm not wearing this for Valentine's Day, but I'm just wearing it for myself because I am my own Valentine this year. Well, every year, not surprised. Okay, so this one I'm just going to put it here, and let me take them all here. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. Alright, another favorite dress is, this is another one, like this is another brand. I really liked it because this all the stuffs that I always wanted, but those are really expensive in the store, so I didn't buy them. But then I got them all in the Shein, and the products so satisfying. So in the store I noticed it was between $80 to $120. So when I do online products, it's exactly same, exactly like well finishing. Everything is so nice. So this is like royal color purple. It's so good to go in summer. With the stripe, you can adjust the stripe here, and this is just above my ankle, and this is pretty nice. I love it. And this is size small. So when you scroll, check inside Shein, there are another products inside Shein which are pretty like little bit expensive than Shein, but it's worth it. And where is my other dress? Where is my other dress? Okay, I'll just show you the dresses first. With this one, it's really interesting because I got it for less than $10. I got it for less than $10, and I was like super surprised. And I found it really cute, so I just bought it. This is like a mini skirt. This is mini skirt, no see-through. It's like well protected. This is the one, the bottom mini skirt, and the top, it's very, very cute. Look, this is the one. So you will see all of it on my Instagram in the future when I wear them, and then I'll upload photos. These are cute. And I bought something else on the top of this because I thought maybe in the evening when I go out with my girlfriends or like friends, I need something to put on the top of it. Not to ruin my dress, I just bought a very nice jacket. It can go with all my dresses, all the plain dresses. So this is the jacket that I bought. It's so good. So all the clothes that I'm showing you now are all through online. So a very cute color. So this can go with any plain dresses. So I'm just gonna put this on the top of the dress that I showed you before, white and black. And I also bought a black dress, so I can use this on my black dress as well, because black dress is like a figured dress. Okay, there we go. So the black dress that I'm talking about is this one. This is so cute. I've already tried it. It's like just above my knee. It's like this, look. Quality is satisfied as per price. It's so nice. So I can just put the jacket on the top of this black dress. This is so cute. it doesn't matter how much you pay, whether it's brand or not, unless you're happy with it. Yes, I am very happy with that. I'm so satisfied. I'm like that kind of person. If you like something, like if I like something, I need to buy them. Doesn't matter about the cost. If I like it, I really need it. Either even if I need to work harder, or even if I need to work on a weekend, I do that. So yeah. And what's the other thing? Oh yeah, so there is another cute top. These are very silky and very elegant, very attractive. This is an orange silky top, if you can see this, look. And the straps can be adjustable, and there is this loose neck. Yeah, so this is so cute, and this can go as a casual or a formal, and I can also put the green on the top of it. So I bought a pant to pair this one. Guess what's the pant? It's a white pant. It's a long straight pant, because I love long straight pant. Every time when I buy pants, I never get anything which fitted me, because you know I'm pretty small, so I always have to trim it or alter it. So this is extra small because this is stretchable. This is so cute, and it's straight. No, but the bottom is like too wide, so I'm just gonna cut it, alter it, and then fit it to my height. This is so cute. So I can just put this one and the orange top for outing, for dating. Just kidding, girls out night. Not that romantic date, I'm just talking about casual dates. It's been a long time I made a video like I'm going on a date, so that video was the most viewed video, and everybody was like, we were waiting for someone to come and be there with you, but there is no one. It's because I actually made it for myself. I was like, I'm going on a date with myself. Yeah. Alright, it's a bit black and dark. Yeah. And another one. So if you remember, if you check my Instagram, there is this black outfit, the top black and the bottom black. So the black pant was really comfortable, so I bought another one, like different color, but I like it, but not that much. So this is the color that I bought. It has a pocket chip, and this one, like, bottom is very wide, so again I need to alter this one. I didn't like this one, but the black one is so good. I didn't have to alter that one, but I need to alter this one this time. Like, I have to alter 2 pants. That's the problem of being short. Anyways, but this is the color. Yeah. Okay, and on the top of this, I bought something to pair with. Is this white top. So I bought this white top. Top is so cute, look. I really love this button, like the front button, if you could see. Yeah, and it's like well fitted. It's not hot, not sweaty. This one is nice, so this will go with the pant, because the pant color is like this gray, so I can just pair with my pant. Alright. Okay, so this is the strapless bra, where you can just put it when you put on a dress. If you don't want to see through your strap, so you can just put it on. I'm not gonna show it out. And oh yeah, I bought a black and a nude color, so I haven't tried it yet, but we'll see how it goes. And this is my swimming costume. I'll just show you the color, but not like whole pattern, just to respect the elders, you know what I mean. So this is the color, So this is my swimming costume. It's nice and it's well fitted. It's always important to know your size when you want to buy something like this, otherwise you'll get like unfitted one. Last time I've ordered 2 different swimming costumes, but both of them are not fitted and I found them wasted, but I'm just gonna give this to my friend. And this is like tiny bag. It's a gift from Shein. It's actually a gift from Shein. This is so cute, like transparent, and the color is like peach color, and you can either use it to take to your work, or you can just use it as a casual when you go out. It's so cute. Oh yeah, let me open this one. So this is it, like this, you know. So cute, and there is a mini bag inside this bag. So the color, look at this color, it's like peachy, creamy. This one is cute. So every time I buy some stuff from Shein, they always send me a gift. So this is the gift of this time. Last time I received a very nice necklace, and before that I had a side bag. So last few shoppings I was buying phone case and the phone screen protector. That's it. I didn't buy much except few running and yoga stuff, yoga clothes. My usually yoga outfit are from Rockwear, Australia. This is not to promote. This is just my own choice. So I usually buy it from Rockwear. I love their products, and the prices are very reasonable. So my outfits are all from Rockwear, even though it's quite expensive. Like for a pant, it's like $70, and the bra it will be like between 40 to 60. So even though it's expensive, those are worth to pay. So yeah. Last but not the least, guess what is it? This is a hat. So my mom, she loves this kind of hat. So one time she said she wants to buy one of those, and I thought maybe I'll just buy her something. So I went to the hat store, and they don't have much choices. But then I asked the price. It was like 400 to 500. But there isn't the color that she likes, so I didn't buy it. So I just thought maybe I'll just buy something for a trial. If she likes it, I would just probably buy that as a gift. So this time I bought this hat. This is both for my mom and I. We usually share, so it's actually really cute. So if mom likes this, or if she prefers to wear this most of the time, I will buy her the original one. This is really cute. You can either put it on your, like my own traditional attire, or on the top of that dresses, like the red dress. It's very loosey, and then you can put it on. It'll go so well, and you just put on a boot on the bottom. And I still have more stuff. These brushes, these are very nice. I usually buy from them instead of buying from the store, because in the store if you buy it, it's like $4 to $5 per clutcher. So I have 5 in this, and another one I'm just using the white one. And there is a nice pink one. Baby pink mom is using that one at the moment. So these are so good. So if you don't like to ruin your hair, well, nobody likes to ruin the hair, it's better to wear clutches, because it always keeps your hair straight and it looks nice. It doesn't ruin your hair, because otherwise when we put on rubber, it always leaves a mark when you remove the rubber. So that's a tip. I've been using this for a long time, and my hair quality is improving. And because you're just relaxing your hair, you're just losing your hair as if you're putting on a very loose clothes. Alright, last but not the least, there is another one. This nice cutie bag. Well, with the bags and shoes, I usually like to buy from like a good one, like brand one, because shoes and bags are for long term. It's not just like a dress that you put it on and then change it. So I always like to buy like really good one, the brand one, but I just want to try how it looks, just, you know. But it's alright with the price. This is nice. So I'm just taking this. I can just use this for anything on the top of my dress, or just the casual or the pants. It's nice. Yeah. So this is all I bought online, but I have still more things to share, because yesterday after work I went out with my friends. Not like, our purpose is not to buy clothes, but then we ended up buying clothes. Whenever we go out, when I went out with her first time, she taught me something. She told me that I love Uniqlo. Uniqlo is one of my favorite brand, because their products are so good, like qualities, finishing, everything is so good. It's more Asian, and their prices are very reasonable according to the quality. So she said there is a corner where you can check the damaged clothes. They usually discount, put it on discount if there is a damage or anything with the clothes. So we were just checking that corner, we found that, and I found 3 beautiful clothes from there. You won't believe the price. Let me show you. So this is from the Uniqlo. This is the Uniqlo one, my favorite. Yeah, this is my favorite brand. Oh, see this? Well, this is not from Uniqlo, this is from Daiso. This caught my eyes yesterday, so I bought this one. This is cute, just to put on my table next to the computer. And yes, so this is the summer dress. Like, it's like a nightie, but when you see it in person, it's not a nightie, trust me. So this is so cute, very comfy. It goes really well on the body. It's just above my ankle, and it's, you know, look, V-neck. So this was actually like $49 or something, but there is a little defect. So they put clothes for in the defect. There's a, I can't even see it. There is a little stain of oil. That's why they put it on discount. It's just $15. So it was $49 and I got it for $15, which is so cool. I loved it, and I love the color. Okay, this is the one, and the next one is like oversized top. It's actually large size, but I just put it on my dress yesterday and it goes really well. It's like so nice. This top, and the back design is like this. So this was so cool. I can use it as an oversized, and this was also $49, nearly $50, but I got it for like $7 just because of this stain. Can you imagine? Look, this stain. So it's a washable, but they're a big brand, so you know. So this is so good. The quality is so satisfying. Just $7. I can't even believe it. And the dress is like $15, which was actually $49, like $50 nearly. And oh yeah, this is the other one. So this is on discount. I usually buy like plain shirts from Uniqlo all the time. I have like orange, green, white. So these are all from the Uniqlo. And I found this color is really nice, really good. So this was also on discount, $15, like $14.9 after discount. But this, I got this for $7. You can't believe. I just didn't remove this tag because I wanted to share it with you guys. Look, $7.90, which is like $8, and the defect is, it says there is, can you see the 2 holes on the left shoulder? So let me show you the hole. So this is the hole, which can be easily stitchable. So because of this 2 hole, this shirt was sold under $8, which was $15 after discount. And I was so happy. I just bought it because I love plain shirt and a very bright color. So this is all I have done yesterday and during my quarantine, and I've received everything yesterday actually. So yes, I'm really happy with all the products, all the clothes which I bought, especially with the Uniqlo. I love them. Okay, so this is all, and if you want to watch more video, make sure you like and subscribe to watch more, and you can always share ideas what you want to watch. So wait for the next video, and make sure you stay with me until next video. Have a good day, and I just need to run to my work this afternoon, and see you next time.